Good morning, iPro. So we are here for check this a portable generator, Generac. Right, as you know, um, we offer as a Generac dealer, we offer maintenance. All the units coming from Generac, right? So we have this 17500 watts, 1000 watts, right? And today I want to show you how what get access to the air filter. The air filter, it's located in this spot, right? This it's inside here, this box, and then for make and take access to the air filter, you need to unscrew this cap, right? And then very important, you have to unscrew this cap too, right? And then just remember, safe in the safe place the screw. This is the longer coming here and the short coming here. If you notice, they got two sides of the screw, right? Longer here, short here. As I said, so put in one spot where you can cover or safe. Remember, you got a one hole going into the enclosure, right? So you need to remove this over, right, for one side, and then if you can see, now you have access to the air filter. So for take out the air filter, you have to unthread this in the top here in the end. You will find one nut, right? You need to unscrew, obviously, right? Boom. And then now you remove the air filter. As I did is to check the air filter, well, I just put on the by the sun, if it's everything looks the sun going through, right? As you can see here, that's my fingers, right? Looks like the air filter is clean, you know, so the homeowner can save this bill for the future. So here in this spot with this cover, this is a cover cover all this part, right? This is the right, this is the stepping motors, which is in charge for open and close the butterfly bulb right here for going inside and mix all the air. Right now I will only move these up, right, and it's for run this over, right? This is the button for the start and stop right here, you know what I'm saying? But important, before then turn or just run the machine for heated up the oil and change the oil. So you have to take here the dipsticks, it's right here, and check the level of the oil. Okay, so later on I will show you how it looks like the filter. So for put it back hole, right, because everything looks pretty well. So I'm slide the filter, right, and slide the filter inside here, right, put the nut back, it's very important. Leave me a comment below how often I need to replace the air filter. If you want to know what is the average time for replace the air filter, just leave me a comment below, okay? So very important when you put this cover, so it's very important, do not leave this hole out to here, right? And then like I did, first of all I put this one, the longer one, as I've said, right, tight a little bit, not too much, because then you would have the risk of the hazard broken, right? And then here I got the other one, all right, there we go. And then I'll put this here. So we have a very powerful standby generator, right here. Okay, important to know, when you take out the dipstick, right, you will find two bullet points. So the level of the oil have to be at least here on the top, right, or pretty close, never in the bottom bullet point. Okay, and then everything looks great for me, so I would put this into it, and I proceed to turn on the machine for heated up the oil, and then proceed to replace the oil filter, which is here. And this is the sensor, low level sensor oil, very important sensor. Please take that in mind. Never, one of the things I do during the maintenance routine is check all the wire and the connector, right, because it can cause a lot of issue. Plus, I would check the status of the spark plug. This homeowner do not made for a long time the maintenance, but honestly, first of all, then take off or take other, going forward with some other steps. So I want to fire up the generator itself, and then check how, it's how it works. Would be pretty loud, so we stop by. I'm gonna stop the video in manner to do not, create a lot of loud here. So one of my work here is clean all these around. This is the radiator, oil radiator. It's for, obviously, like a radiator says, the number says, is just for refresh the oil. Is very important. And that's it. Let me see what's going on.